Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching this video, I think I need to do an audio test. Wait. Mega hello, Candy shut up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Am I visible? Because मुझे अपनी t-shirt दिखानी है. I don't know, I don't care, I don't give a fuck. Angle भी देखना पड़ता है. टशन बाद में मार लेंगे. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then I'm going to be your best friend. Confidence, baby, confidence. This is the video is about, right? I know a lot of people who know me personally, would be thinking, bol bhi kaun raha hai? Like, who the fuck is talking about confidence? But I think I have made significant improvement over the years, from school to college to my first job to my third job. I have changed a lot. So I think few days back I made a Q&A जिसमें मैंने बोला था कि if you really want me to talk about confidence, let me know. So I did receive a couple of DMs and I did receive a bunch of comments under that video that I should make a confidence related video. So here I am. So this is going to be a chit chat video. So if you wanna eat something, grab a snack and sit and listen what I have to say, because I think you will be at least taking something from this video, because I am a live example of how you can improve, or how you can fake confidence, or how you can at least show people that you are confident enough to do something. Without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So first and foremost thing which hold us back, which I have done and which I still do, is that what people will think or what people have thought about me in the past, and that affect your confidence to a great amount of extent. The first thing is, stop thinking about what other people think of you. This I tell myself on daily basis. मैं अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ कि like what that person I met 3 years ago in that fair would think about me. But we can't do anything about it. Like मेरा ना 2 साइड है ब्रेन का, सबका ही होता है, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. सो मेरा हर चीज़ पे ना 2 ओपिनियन रहता है. एक मेरा ओपिनियन होता है कि ओ माई गॉड दिस पर्सन वुड जज मी, एंड एक मेरा ओपिनियन रहता है कि आफ्टर 5 years आई डोंट रिमेंबर दिस, सो हाउ डज इट मैटर. So this is how I deal with situations. Sometimes I just do absurd things which people don't believe I can do, and sometimes I just act like a noob कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. This is where I live. ठीक है. So I think first thing which I stopped doing or I am trying to control is that what people think of me. Obviously मतलब मैं हर किसी को थोड़ी please करती फिरूँगी यार, इतना time नहीं है मेरे पास. For example, there are people who come and comment कि ये सब बकवास मत किया कर, ठीक है, we don't have time to listen all this. Now one side of my brain tells me कि they are right, you shouldn't do this is a waste of time, you're wasting your time, and one part of my brain is like कि they are frustrated with something, you don't need to be bothered about them. I usually listen this side of my brain and this is what I'm going to tell you to do. So if you feel कि people would judge you, always think that who the fuck these people are. These people will not even remember your name by the end of the day or by the end of the week. Then why does it matter कि वो लोग तुम्हारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, ठीक है. Also हर किसी का ओपिनियन मैटर भी नहीं करता है यार. Have a certain set of people in your life जिनके ओपिनियन से आपको फ़र्क पड़ता है, जो आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं उससे आपको शायद थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रूव करने का मौका मिलेगा. बट हर किसी के फीडबैक से अफेक्ट नहीं हो सकते हो, ठीक है. देर आर पीपल हु डोंट लाइक मी एंड आई डोंट गिव अ शिट अबाउट देम. आई डू, बट आई एक्ट लाइक आई डोंट गिव अ शिट अबाउट देम. लाइक दिस, देयर इज़ दिस वन पर्सन, अ फ्रेंड ऑफ फ्रेंड, जिससे मैंने बहुत ही फ्रेंडली बात करी थी, एंड उसने मेरे फ्रेंड को बोला कि यार मुझे नहीं पसंद आया जैसे वो बात करती है. I was so affected by this. But then when in retrospect I thought about it, I was like, he's not the first person to not like me. There are 1,000 people in my life जो मुझसे मिले and then they're like So ठीक है, he is one of them now and I still like that person. मतलब मुझे as such कोई hatred वाला point उसमें दिखा नहीं, apart from the point that he doesn't like me, but I really like that other person. It's just मेरे को बस सब कोई नाम ले लेता है उसका तो गुस्सा आता है कि चुप करो, उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे हम. In a nutshell, stop thinking about what people think, because not everybody is going to like you, and if you are living under this pressure that you have to make everyone like you, you will not like yourself at the end of the day. Second is how like this is a live example I have experienced. The kind of people you hang out with, or the kind of people you around are most of the time, do affect how you think about yourself, and that affects your confidence. For example, there was this one friend who would say nasty things, shit stuff. ठीक है, मजाक कर रहा हूँ ब्रो, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा हूँ. And that thing affected me and one of my friends' confidence like anything. We thought we are good for nothing, and हम तो कभी कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे लाइफ में. ठीक है, this is what I used to think about myself कि यार he's right, I am not good for anything. And I think the moment we maintained a little bit distance from this person, I have changed only for good. I can say that, and I don't tolerate this shit. I know friends का बहुत एक इंडिया में रहता है ये कि हाँ आपको एक दूसरे की बहुत बजानी है, बहुत एक दूसरे की लेनी है, बहुत एक दूसरे को ऐसे कोर तक हर्ट कर दो बिल्कुल ऐसे. But this is not what is good for you. If you are somebody who is trying to build your confidence, I don't think so having these kind of people who affect you. मतलब ठीक है यार, भले ही तुमने मजाक में बोल दिया, but उस बंदे के दिमाग में वो बात ना सालों तक रह जाएगी. And this has happened with me as well. I would say कि जैसे लोगों के साथ आप उठते बैठते हो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है उस चीज़ से. So if you wanna build confidence, be with people who push you to do good things and who motivates you, uplift your mood, rather than यार तुम जा रहे हो किसी के पास अपनी प्रॉब्लम लेके, या तुम किसी को बता रहे हो कि यार I wanna speak in English and they just laugh on your face. Think यार we have that child in us जिसको बुरा लग जाता है. I don't know लोगों को ये चीज़ क्यों नहीं समझ आती है. If you laugh at somebody's idea ना, they will never open their mouth again. And I hate when people are insensitive about the fact. I'm not saying कि हाँ you tiptoe around everybody all the time. Just be thoughtful. Like I don't know why, but I think I'm giving more emphasis on this. But yeah, a certain set of friends, फैमिली मेम्बर्स भी, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके दोस्त ही टॉक्सिक है. हो सकता है आपके घर में भी ऐसा कोई बंदा हो जो आपको 24 घंटे बस कंपेयर कर रहा है, या जो आपको बस 24 घंटे ये बोल रहा है दैट यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन डू दैट, आपसे ये भी नहीं हो रहा, आपसे वो भी नहीं. जस्ट स्टॉप any sort of communication with that person, because I'm telling you it is affecting you subconsciously. You start believing all this shit what people tell you. Be with people who believe in you, who always there for you, who push you to do good things and who listen you, rather than people who just जिनको बस हा हा ही बस ये हंसी ठट्टा करना है तुम्हारे हर आइडिया पे. just fuck these people off, and if you really want to keep them, then then this video is waste. The third tip is that it is important how we talk to ourselves. जैसे मैंने बोला subconsciously लोग हमें बोलेंगे that you are not good, ये तुझे ये भी नहीं. Okay, this is fun. People in my life have told me you shouldn't do YouTube, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, because you don't have this, you don't have that, you don't have a camera face, you don't have that personality to engage people, you don't have that sort of command over your language, so I don't think so you should start this, I don't think so you should start that. So हमारे अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम कहते हैं कि और हम उन चीज़ों को बिलीव करने लग जाते हैं. एंड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट, इवन टिल नाउ, इवन अभी भी मुझे कोई इफ़ समबडी टेल्स मी ना दैट आई एम ब्यूटिफुल और आई लुक ब्यूटिफुल, आई एम लाइक झूठ बोल रहा है, ये झूठ बोल रही है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई डू दिस. मतलब मेरा फर्स्ट थॉट ऐसा आता है कि सिर्फ बटरिंग कर रहे हैं या सिर्फ मज़े के लिए बोल रहे हैं, दे डोंट मीन इट. एंड आई थिंक दिस fucks me in the head कि why do I do this with myself यार, why I don't accept and embrace things people say good about me, and I just because I've been with people for a really long time who told me that you are not good at this, you are not good at that, you should, you shouldn't do this. Rather than telling me what should I do, they kept on telling me what I shouldn't do. See the emphasis, okay? And at the end of the day, when you start believing and you start speaking to yourself in that tone, you lose your confidence. And जो थोड़ा बहुत होता है, ठीक है, वो भी ख़त्म हो जाता है. So it's very important that how you talk to yourself. Tell yourself you can do anything. Tell yourself that you are meant for big things. Tell yourself that you can achieve anything you set your mind for. ठीक है? I firmly believe in luck. There's this big picture जो हमें नहीं दिखती है, बट एटलीस्ट वी कैन हैव फेथ इन आवर सेल्फ कि अगर कोई चीज़ गलत भी जा रही है कोई बात नहीं, वील फिगर आउट, वील फाइंड समथिंग गुड इन इट, और वील फाइंड समथिंग मैनेजेबल. ठीक है? सो माई पॉइंट इज, इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड self confidence and if you want people look up to you or people look you with the respect, you start looking yourself with that respect. You need to respect yourself in order to gain respect from other people. Simple words mein. And that's important यार. If you keep telling yourself you suck, you will suck. सिंपल. जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, हमारी एक स्पोर्ट्स की टीचर थी जिसने बोला था कि जब कोई लॉन्ग जंप होता है उसमें अगर बंदे के दिमाग में पहले ही आ जाता है ना कि आई कांट डू दिस बिकॉज इट्स टू हाई, नो मैटर हाउ मच दे ट्राई दे कैन नॉट जंप दैट और दे कैन नॉट क्रॉस दैट because they already have made their mind ki I can't do this. So stop believing that you can't do anything. ठीक है? You can do anything you want. It's just sometimes things doesn't work out because of several other factors. Don't blame yourself. If you have given your 100% at everything, I think that's more than enough. Do not blame yourself for everything. This is what we all do. Like abhi bhi, if one of my videos doesn't work, something I'm working on doesn't work like however I wanted to, I will start keep blaming myself कि मुझे ये ज़्यादा करना चाहिए था, मुझे वो ज़्यादा करना चाहिए था, मुझे ये कम करना चाहिए था. It's okay. There are enough people to blame you, so don't do that to yourself. So start speaking in your head good about yourself. The fourth step is about looking good. ठीक है? अब I know a lot of people would not like what I would say, but this is a fact and I have experienced it. So when I had severe acne breakout in I guess 2015-16, my confidence was at the lowest. Like I couldn't even speak to somebody because मेरा जो face था ना वो पूरा acne से भरा हुआ था and मैं किसी को देखती भी नहीं थी, like नज़रें भी नहीं मिलाती थी बात करते टाइम because I was so ashamed of my acne. And then now when I think I was like what could I have done, like मैं क्या कर सकती थी, acne थे तो थे यार, मैं इतना क्यों conscious हो जाती थी. Now when I think, but at that time I remember कि मैं किसी से normally बात भी नहीं कर पाती थी. If remotely somebody would try to suggest me कि ये try कर लो वो try कर लो, I would start crying. You know, when you look good, you feel good. So work on your physical appearance. ठीक है? I'm not saying कि physical appearance is everything, but this is a fact. If you look good, you feel good. So I'm saying कि look presentable, try to work on yourself. If you like, कैसे समझाऊँ मैं ये point? Like I'll tell you in a simple words. I always had a gap in front of my teeth. यहाँ इधर सामने, like हंसती भी नहीं थी मैं खुल के. And धीरे धीरे I got normal with it, but it was still there in my head that I had a gap in my teeth, and anybody when I laugh or I'll say something would notice this only. I don't know why, because I was conscious about it, so I would think the other person will only see this. When I went for the dental treatment and I did all that shebang, उसके बाद से I have noticed that I don't care anymore यार. I don't care about how I am laughing or how I am looking while I'm laughing. So that's what I'm saying, that your physical appearance does matter. Like putting on a lipstick would be some sort of self-confidence for somebody, or getting ready, wearing formals, or any sort of physical appearance which makes you look good in yourself, you will feel more confident. That's what I have to say. So if you have anything which is holding you back and you think you need to work on it, please do. So this is what I was gonna say कि if you feel कि कोई एक चीज़ आपको बग कर रही है आपके बारे में, change it, work on it, do something about it. Just don't sit with it and sulk into it. Lips से याद आया, I do have a product for you guys. So Mamaearth have recently launched their lip kit which has 2 products in it. So let's talk about that. So why we are talking about this brand? First, our lips does not have any oil or sweat glands which makes them prone to dry, and that's why we buy products like these to maintain them, and they do require a lot of care. Also, you know my obsession with lips and lip care products as these days, so yeah, bear with me. Mamaearth have launched this really amazing vitamin C 100% natural lip care kit which has 2 products in it. First one is their lip scrub and another one is the lip mask. It is 100% natural with no toxins and it gives you pink and plummy lips. It is 100% natural, dermatologically tested, suits all skin type. The ingredients are like castor oil, coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, almond oil. Lip scrub में है ये सब. And then lip mask में है there is castor oil, coconut oil, shea butter, blueberry flavor, turmeric oil, red pigment for the pinky lips you want, and the lemon extract. So the scrub will give you a flake-free pout, and the mask is like an overnight mask. So this is how something it looks like. इस साइड you have scrub ऊपर and this pink one is your lip mask, and they have given this cute spatula which you can use to get the item out. I really appreciate this little thing because मुझे वो वाले पैकेजिंग्स बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है जिनमें हाथ डाल के निकालना पड़ता है. So I really like spatula and brands who think this through. This is how it looks beautiful, yaar. And you had to scrub it. So Mamaearth has also launched their app where you can get early access to the sales and get extra discounts, so do check it out. One thing which I want to tell everyone, I think I've said this also, जब भी you buy some lip scrub ना, उसमें बहुत सारे butters होते हैं. So never ever wash it with water, because then you end up removing the really essential oils and butters are in that lip scrub and it leaves your lips really soft. और अगर पानी से साफ करने की कोशिश करोगे ना तो वो स्टिक हो जाएगा, जैसे सर्दी में घी जम जाता है ना वैसा. So just FYI. Now we'll apply the Pinky Pink berry extract lip mask. I don't know. Oh my god, ये तो काफी pigmented है यार. It also has so this is really pigmented. I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented, but this is nice. Like if you leave this overnight, I think in the morning you will have pink lips. So Mamaearth is also a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use, and they also have a plant goodness initiative under which whenever you buy something from their website, a tree will be linked to your order, which they are planning to plant by 2025, and they also have an aim to plant by like 1 million trees, which is a good initiative, I would say. And that could be another reason you should purchase from Mamaearth, because at least they're doing something. I mean, how many brands do you know are doing something for the environment? If you want to buy this really amazing lip kit, like I would definitely suggest you to go ahead for the scrub. I really like the scrub part, and the lip balm is also nice, but yeah, it's a little pigmented, but yeah, I like it. So you can also use my code. Check out the description box. You can get up to 20% off using my code. So yeah, ladies, कोई लड़का भी अगर देख रहा है who wants to try this, go ahead boy, दीदी तुम्हारे साथ है. And yeah, that's it, and we'll continue with the video now. Bye. Another thing which I think should be a punishable offense जिसके पैसे कटने चाहिए, जिसकी ऐसी पर्ची कटनी चाहिए, इज़ कंपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ विद द पीपल ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन एनीवेयर यू सी. This is what I have done, this is what I do sometimes, but I've stopped doing it. Like पहले बहुत ज़्यादा होता था and that was primarily because this is how I grew up. So I was constantly told to compete कि हाँ इससे ज़्यादा नंबर लाने, उससे ज़्यादा नंबर लाने, ये करना है, वो करना है. So this is how I grew up, and I think this is with me that I have to do better than this, or I have to do better than that. Like the human mind works better when there is competition, ठीक है, but it is also like too much excess of anything is not good for you. So take aspirations, take like motivation from somebody, but do not try to compare somebody's middle with your start, ठीक है. This I have learned the hard way, and you just cannot, like, how should I say this? Like if I talk about myself, I cannot compare myself with somebody out there who is doing YouTube for full time. Kudos to them, but I am a complete different person. I grew up in a very different circumstances. I have different set of issues. I have different kind of job, and I have different problem. Thing is that we have different problems, and I don't know anything about that other person. Then how can I compare myself? जब आप किसी को compare करते हो ना, they should be on same level. Everything should be same about them, and then you can compare. Like अगर कोई experiment भी करता है, they keep the environment same so that readings जो आती हैं, जो observations आती हैं, they should be right. But if two people grew up in different scenarios, they have different set of beliefs, they have different set of mindset, then how the fuck we can compare these people? And why do we compare? Like हम किसी को देखते हैं that somebody is on social media thriving, wow, they are going on vacation and everything, but we don't know the story behind that vacation. We don't know the struggle that person must have gone through to go on that vacation. So bigger picture, we never see that bigger picture. That's the issue. We just see that 15 seconds का reel और 15 minute का vlog देख के we judge the other person कि हो इनकी life तो sacked है bro, and we sulk into that self doubt कि हम क्या गलत कर रहे हैं. So that's what I want to say कि you don't know anything. Like nobody knew about what I was going through in last 6 months. Professionally everything was good. Personally things have gone down the hill, but I am not comfortable sharing anything on here, ठीक है. So if you think that they have it all together, they have not. Nobody is comfortable sharing their personal stuff and invite judgments. So if you think कि किसी की लाइफ बहुत सेट चल रही है, नहीं चल रही है ब्रो, चुप रहे. सबकी लाइफ में इशू है. वही वाली बात है ना, सातों सुख किसी को नहीं मिलते हैं, बट हम वो चीज़ कभी नहीं समझते. So इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, इफ़ यू थिंक कि somebody is out there doing absolutely fine, उनकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा जो तुम्हें नहीं पता होगा ना, वो तुम्हें आके कभी बताएंगे, ठीक है. सो स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ, फोकस ऑन यू. ये फोकस हम जो लूज़ कर देते हैं ना, एंड वी जस्ट कीप ऑन फोकसिंग ऑन अदर पीपल, द एनर्जी वी स्पेंड, द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम वी स्पेंड टू थिंक अबाउट अदर पीपल कि हाँ उसने ऐसे 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 ये कर लिया होगा. फक इट यार, कर लिया. You just think about you, how you can do better. Another thing I think which can help you in your confidence is taking ownership of what you have done and being honest with yourself, ठीक है. This has helped me. Like अगर मैंने कोई fuck up किया है, so don't run away from it. Own it. मान जा किया है, मान जा कि तेरे से गलती हुई है, और चुपचाप now accept the fact and move on. The problem with me is that कि मैं पहले कोई बड़ी सी गलती कर देती हूँ, and then फिर मैं उसको then I don't have the strength to admit कि हाँ मुझसे गलती हुई है. But lately I realize कि मान लेना गलती ज़्यादा easy है, rather than खुद को ये प्रूव करते रहो कि नहीं हमने तो कुछ गलत नहीं किया है, हम तो एकदम ठीक हैं. This is not good. So whatever decision you make in life, it will have some sort of consequences. Like anything you do will have consequences. You just have to accept, yes, I have done this, and accept it. Acceptance is the biggest closure you will ever need. That's what I have learned कि चीज़ों को, जो चीज़ें हो गई उन चीज़ों को मान जाओ, उन चीज़ों से सबक लो और आगे बढ़ो. उन चीज़ों के ऊपर टाइम वेस्ट करने से कि हाँ ये ऐसा कर सकते थे, वो वैसा कर सकता था, हमने ये कर लिया, वो वैसा कर देता, हो गया भाई, everything is done and gone, the damage has been done, now accept the damage and now fix it and move on. So this is what I have learned in past, in my few years, कि कुछ गलतियाँ ऐसी होती हैं जो आपको बस मान लेनी होती हैं, मूव ऑन करो उनके साथ. Whatever, I don't know तुम लोगों की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, but if I talk about me, I have made few mistakes and I think the more I accept कि yes, I have made a mistake and now I have to take the ownership of it, I have to bear the consequences of it, I am ready for any sort of result that will come after that mistake is mine to keep. That is how we are like that is how we feel empowered कि हाँ ठीक है यार, हमने we can do this, we just don't have to run away from everything. कोई भी अगर आपसे गलती हो जाती है, in short I am saying just take a while, think about it, think where you have gone wrong, आपसे क्या गलती हुई है, and then accept it कि हाँ हो गई यार. अब ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ उसने ऐसा किया, उसने ब्लेम गेम नहीं खेलना है, ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट कर. अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप आई वुड से इज स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम मेरे लिए है ये बेसिकली, आई डोंट से एनीथिंग बिकॉज आई थिंक आई विल sound stupid or other person is very intelligent and if I'll open my mouth they would judge me. But again, as I said, in our head we give people much more importance than they ever give us, ठीक है. So just say it, say whatever you have to say and just move on and don't hold yourself back कि you know what these people would think about me. Let them think whatever they want. How does it matter? वही वाली बात है, you cannot entertain everybody's opinion about you because if you'll keep entertaining everybody then you are fucked. You will just live in that bubble that you have to please everybody. जो भी कहना होता है वो बोलो, maybe in a meeting, maybe in a social gathering, maybe in anywhere you feel you can contribute and you want to say something, just say it यार, बोल दो. बोल के लाइक मैं बता रही हूँ ना, हमारे दो ब्रेन्स होते हैं, एक हमें बोलेगा कि नहीं 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 वी शुडंट वो जज करेंगे एंड एक बोलेगा कि बोल के ख़त्म करो यार. ठीक है, तो ऑलवेज लिसन दिस साइड, बोल के ख़त्म करो, ठीक है. ये मैंने पहले भी बोला था तुमको कि एक्सेप्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. मैंने ये बहुत लोगों में नोटिस किया है, मैंने खुद में भी नोटिस किया है कि इफ़ समबडी टेल अस दैट यू आर लुकिंग गुड और यू आर यू नो गुड एट दिस और यू आर गुड एट दैट, दिल बी लाइक हम कहाँ, नहीं हम नहीं. ये मैंने बहुत लोगों में देखा है, बहुत लोगों में देखा है मैंने ये, स्पेशली इन माई फ्रेंड्स आई हैव ऑब्जर्व. इवन माने इफ़ यू विल टेल मानिक ना यू सिंग नाइस, इज लाइक कहाँ यार, आई एम एवरेज, तूने लोगों को नहीं देखा है वो कितना अच्छा गाते हैं. सॉरी, सेंस नहीं बना ब्रो, आई वॉज कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग यू शुड हैव सेड थैंक यू, सिंपल, एंड ऑफ स्टोरी. ये क्या लोगों के बारे में बता रहा है मुझे क्या करना है यार, ठीक है. सिमिलरली इफ समबडी टेल्स मी दैट यू मेक गुड वीडियोज, आई एम लाइक मैं कहाँ, आई डोंट, तो यू हैव नॉट सीन अदर पीपल्स वर्क. This is how I also reply to compliments, and I think we avoid compliments because we think we don't deserve them, and that's how you speak to yourself, baby. So इसलिए you need to accept any sort of compliment coming in your way. Say thank you. Say, you know, I needed to hear that. Say that it felt nice to hear that. Stop fucking living in a denial कि नहीं 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 हम ऐसे नहीं है, नहीं 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 हम ऐसे नहीं है, नहीं 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 we don't deserve anything good. Stop doing that to yourself. भगवान के लिए अपने साथ करना बंद करो. Even I'm learning. I'm not saying कि मैं pro हूँ, मैं तो confidence की queen हूँ, but I'm saying these are the baby steps which I tell myself on daily basis that it's okay. If somebody is complimenting me, it's okay. Just take it. Take the fucking compliment and say thank you, Mamta. Don't defend. Sometimes I say thank you, sometimes I'm like, One more thing I think an overthinker would relate. एक ह्यूमन माइंड में एक दिन में 50,000 से 70,000 तक थॉट्स आते हैं. दिस इज़ अ रिसर्च, ठीक है, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई नो दीज फैक्ट्स. But 50 to 70,000 thoughts is a lot of thoughts, yaar. And the research says, as a human tendency, most of them are negative. Like 80% of them are negative thoughts, and sometimes these thoughts keep on bubbling, and you end up thinking more negative about yourself than the situation actually is. ठीक है? Because this is how our mind is programmed. ठीक है? कभी भी देखना, when there is a good news, it will not spread that wildly जितनी जल्दी एक बुरी न्यूज़ वायरल हो जाती है. सिमिलरली अगर कहीं कोई ड्रामा हो रहा होता है उसके बारे में हमें पता होता है, लेकिन कहीं कोई अच्छी चीज़ हो रही होती है वो हमें नहीं पता होती है. किसी भी इंसान के अंदर आप शायद पहले उसकी कोई बुरी बात नोटिस करते हो, एंड देन यू नो लाइक अगर कोई इंसान 100 अच्छी चीज़ें भी कर रहा है, हम नोटिस उसकी वो एक चीज़ करते हैं जो वो गलत कर रहा है. दिस इज़ हाउ ह्यूमन माइंड वर्क्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि सब ऐसे हैं, बट या मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टडीज शोज दैट व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. सो इफ़ यू फील दैट यू आर सल्किंग इनटू ओवर थिंकिंग और यू आर जस्ट कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट वन टॉपिक अ लॉट, सो व्हाट आई डू, आई राइट अ लॉट. आई राइट इन माई जर्नल्स. भर दी हैं मैंने डायरियाँ लिख के. So I just try to distract myself कि it's okay, and then I either go for a walk, I call my friend and talk, I just go online and watch something funny. Just distract yourself. Do not let that bubble keep bubbling even more, because then it's a loophole. You will never get out of it. And I think overthinking का issue जिन्हें होता है वो लोग यही करते हैं basically, which is not good. And I think self confidence एक दिन में कोई build नहीं कर सकता. I think it's a process where you have to tell yourself that you are worthy of things. You deserve better. You can achieve good things. So this is how you build, like this is how I have become better. If you will keep telling yourself ना कि हाँ मेरे बस की तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, मेरा तो सब बर्बाद है, तो trust me, this is only direction you are heading. You already have made a path and तुम उसी पे चलते रहोगे. If you will not tell yourself that you deserve good, you will not receive good. Simple. अपने बारे में अच्छा सोचो, अपने बारे में, और मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, do not take anything very seriously. I know people who take things very seriously and then they overthink about it and then they make the issue much bigger than it was before. So don't do that to yourself. As I said, distract yourself, keep yourself busy. I'm not saying कि उस चीज़ को acknowledge मत करो, definitely करो, but you should set a limit up till what point you are going to invest more time in it. That's what I'm saying. And that was it, guys. Thanks for coming into my TED talk. And this is what I want to share with you guys, because I think one more example, a lot of people tell me कि you speak really good. I am the same person who is afraid of this language. English का पेपर आता था ना, मेरे छक्के छूट जाते थे. मतलब मैं ऐसी हो जाती थी कि भगवान इंग्लिश का पेपर देना है क्या, क्यों देना है इंग्लिश का पेपर. इतना ज़्यादा डरती थी मैं इतना डरती थी इंग्लिश से कि आई स्टॉप मेरा सेक्शन चेंज होना था, मेरा मीडियम चेंज होना था. आई वॉज इन अ हिंदी मीडियम. आई एम लाइक एंड मेरा मीडियम जब चेंज कराने के बाद आई वाज सो अफ्रेड कि मैं नहीं पढ़ सकती, मैं तो इंग्लिश पढ़ ही नहीं सकती. आई जस्ट कांट. मैंने हाथ खड़े कर दिए कि भाई नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. सो माई पेरेंट्स केप्ट लाइक, imagine the kind of trauma I must have shown कि they kept me in Hindi medium till 10th class. And उसके बाद मतलब things changed and everything. उसके बाद I started studying in English medium, but उससे पहले I was fucking afraid. फट जाती थी मेरी इंग्लिश का नाम लेते. इवन टुडे इफ़ समबडी टॉक्स अबाउट पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस और पास्ट प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस, मैं तो ऐसे जाती हूँ बस बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. सो वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि समटाइम्स द फियर बिकम सो बिग इन आवर हेड कि वो प्रॉब्लम उतनी बड़ी होती नहीं है जितनी बड़ी हम उसे बना लेते हैं. देन धीरे आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग रीडिंग. एंड आई थिंक जो एक कन्वेंशनल वे है इंग्लिश सिखाने का स्कूल्स में कि एक टेक्स्ट बुक होगी, एक ग्रामर बुक होगी, हम पैराग्राफ्स लिखेंगे, ऐसे लिखेंगे, बच्चों को इंग्लिश आ जाएगी. I don't think so. This is how things work with most of the children. I know my friends who told me कि like we've been to convent school and we still face issues speaking in English. So I think the problem is not the language, the problem is in the teaching method. So if you are somebody, बहुत ही अलग डायरेक्शन में चली गई मैं, बट मेरा पॉइंट ये था कि कॉन्फिडेंस अगर आप अपने अंदर दिखाओगे ना कि आई कैन लर्न दिस, आई कैन डू दिस एंड आई हैव टू डू दिस, things will become better. Like I never thought that I will ever speak English. This was my mindset in 10th class. Like 10th class वाली ममता को लगता था इंग्लिश पढ़ने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है गाइस, इंग्लिश बकवास लैंग्वेज है, पता नहीं क्यों लोग इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ते हैं, इट्स जस्ट बुलशिट, यू नो. वक्षस्थल इज़ व्हाट, लाइक मेरा जो साइंस था वो पूरा हिंदी में था. आई रिमेंबर रिब केज को हम लोग वक्षस्थल बोलते थे, हार्ट को हृदय बोलते थे, स्पीड को गति बोलते थे, वेलोसिटी को वेग बोलते थे. ओ गॉड, थिंग्स चेंज्ड फॉर मी आफ्टर माई 12th. व्हेन आई वेंट टू कॉलेज आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ इन दैट मैनर कि भाई बस बहुत हो गया, अब और नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. सो धीरे धीरे आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ओवरनाइट बहुत चेंज आ गया मुझ में, नहीं. दिस वॉज अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट बाय माई सेल्फ, फॉर माई सेल्फ कि आई विल लर्न एंड आई हैव टू लर्न. एंड भाड़ में गए लोग, इवन इफ आई स्पीक रॉन्ग इंग्लिश डजेंट मैटर, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. आई एम लर्निंग, आई एम इन अ लर्निंग फेज. दिस इज़ नॉट माई फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज एंड इफ आई मेक मिस्टेक्स आई एम अलाउड टू. सिंपल. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, दैट यू नीड टू शो कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर सेल्फ. भरोसा रखो खुद पे थोड़ा. एग्जाम्पल, अब पता नहीं एडिट में मैं ये डालूंगी या नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं है, बट वील सी. ऑल्सो बहुत टाइम हो गया, मैं बहुत देर से पचड़ कर रही हूँ. फिर जब मुझे एडिट करने की बारी आती है ना, तो मेरे ऐसे हो जाता है कि क्यों बोलती हूँ मैं इतना. तो अभी बस हो गया आज का ज्ञान इतना ही है. और आई होप यू फाइंड समथिंग हेल्पफुल इन दिस वीडियो, और इफ़ यू, I hope you like anything little bit. I hope this video was of any sort of help to you guys, and if it was, then you have to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, because we need to reach 50 fucking thousands soon. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next week. अभी मेरे को जाना है, अभी अंधेरा भी हो रहा है, मेरा चाय पीने का मन कर रहा है. Bye.